Do you have meetings, workouts, or weekly reminders that happen on a regular schedule? Instead of creating them one by one, Dola AI can help you set up recurring events in just a few moments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create recurring events in Dola AI and manage them with ease. So let's get started. Begin by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device. Sign in if you're not already logged in, then navigate to the main chat interface where you'll create your recurring event. Type your event using natural language. For example, you could say, schedule a team meeting every Monday at 9 in the morning, or remind me to exercise every weekday at 6 in the evening. Yeah. Dola AI will recognize that the event should repeat automatically. After Dola AI creates the event, carefully review the title, start time, date, and recurrence pattern. Make sure the schedule matches what you intended before confirming. If recurring options are available, you can adjust how often the event repeats. Depending on the supported features, you may be able to choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly repetition, along with an end date if needed. If your schedule changes later, open the recurring event and edit its details. Depending on the available options, you may be able to update only one occurrence or apply changes to every future event in the series. When you no longer need the recurring event, open it and choose the delete option. If prompted, decide whether to remove only the selected occurrence or delete the entire recurring series. Recurring events are perfect for weekly meetings, monthly bills, birthdays, fitness routines, and other regular activities. Reviewing your calendar from time to time helps ensure recurring events remain accurate and useful. And that's how to create recurring events in Dola AI. With recurring schedules in place, you can automate routine planning and spend less time managing your calendar manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.